Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Thrift. I am super happy to have you. If you are new, if you are a returning Stitchy, welcome back. Happy to have you as well. Cannot get this open. This is day 23 of Advent. Tomorrow is Christmas Eve. If you guys could like the video and leave a comment, even if it's just an emoji, it would really help the channel out. Okay. So this one is, okay, a very bright green. It's more neon than what it's showing. I love that green with little shocks of pink. Oh, I actually see a little pop of purple in there too. Excuse the dye on my hands. And then in this one, it is blues and pinks and white. Yeah, blues and pinks and white. And I think a little bit of purple where they meet. Oh, there's the like dark, kind of darker mauve color right there. So, cool. Okay, on to Big Advent. So there is not a Big Advent today. This is a mess of a video, by the way. I'm sorry. There's not Big Advent today because we would like to give back to you guys and give you guys a present instead. Hey everyone, the clip that you're about to watch for some reason doesn't have audio. I can't restore the audio. I don't know what happened, but I picked some random winners and you're going to see them, but for those that are visually impaired, I'm going to go ahead and say them real quick. But I also wanted to just touch on the first winner because it was a very special moment, at least for me. The person's YouTube name is Cable Dog, but who this person is, and you can read the message on there. If you guys remember, many months ago, Pinky Hooks, we call her Shy, but Pinky Hooks lost a very close friend of hers, and it was somebody in the community, and her name was Barb. Well, after Barb passed, her husband sent boxed up all of her yarn and sent it to Shy. Shy mixed her yarn and Barb's yarn and did these boxes, and we all bought boxes, and you know, some of us, like I sponsored several boxes for people to get, and to spread Barb's yarn throughout the community so it could, you know, live on. And his name came up, and that just felt like a really special moment to me, considering the holidays and everything. So obviously, if he wants yarn, or if he knows somebody that would like to receive yarn, of course, get a hold of me. But I pulled 3 winners. But in the moment, I was very surprised. I was very shocked. But that moment, unfortunately, is lost because of the audio trouble. So I just wanted to touch base with that because most people won't know who that was. But I thought that was a very special moment. I pulled winners from that video. And so, yeah. So, Cable Dog, Tiffany, Jack, and I think it was Sally Stevens were the winners. But please watch just in case I am incorrect. And happy holidays to everybody.